me, I think comedy, any sort of comedy books have always been a big inspiration. So my all-time favorite book is by a Sri Lankan author called Carl Mueller, and he wrote a book called Jamfruit Tree, and it is hands down one of the funniest things I've ever read. It's a thin book, it's not very thick, but it's so insightful, and he gets the way, when people speak colloquially, he gets it to a point where you're in Sri Lanka, you're in Colombo, you're with those people in their village on their street. And he's very funny and very dark. So that I would say would be, I wish I could write a book like that. Like that to me would be the goal. An author who I think should never have. I have to be honest with you, some of the guys who write textbooks for this country, please stop. No, really, stop it. Yeah, I'm actually writing one right now. I'm working with Aleph, and I have to send my editor an essay by the end of basically today, which is not going to happen. So yeah, I'm writing a collection of funny essays for my publisher, and we're hoping it comes out by the middle of the year. I was told I could. I started writing blogs because I wanted to write a one-woman comedy show. So I started writing a blog just to get into the habit of, consistently producing and creating something, because that's really the key to all creative work, is just consistency. And then one of the editors at Aleph saw the blog randomly. I don't know how she saw it. And then she got in touch with me and said, why don't you do this? You can do this. And I believed her. And I shouldn't have, because it's been one of the most difficult experiences of my life thus far. But yeah, there I am. That's why I'm writing it, because someone else told me. A book that describes me the best. I don't know about that, but I'm going back to Jamfruit Tree. I mean, that really will tell you a lot about the kind of humor I'm into, and I guess that tells you a lot about a person, right? When you know what they find funny and interesting and engaging. So that's a good book, man. Everyone should read it. For me personally, in the morning, I need to get up, and before I do anything else, if I can get my 2 hours in then, it's usually pretty golden. Read more. Everybody read more, including me. We should all just read more. I think most of us don't read enough. So yeah, that's the message.